What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a cryptocurrency called firetoken. This is the first DAO governance crypto fund, which is basically a crypto ETF. So when you are holding firetoken, you are essentially investing into Fire capital. So the Fire team aims to tackle one of the biggest pain points for small investors in the crypto industry. The most successful projects in the space are not available for the small retail investor to purchase until they enter an exchange. As seen recently with Definity, seed round sold the tokens for 4 cents per token, while the retail investor had to pay 500 USD per token on Binance. To solve this issue, Fire team will register an LLC in a country with great tax benefits to manage their Fire fund. The Fire fund will then be financed from the marketing wallet. So holders of the Fire token will have the power to vote on which project the Fire fund will invest through a voting mechanism in which one Fire will equate to one vote. The reflectionary model plays very well into the governance mechanism because it rewards loyal votes to have more votes over time as opposed to new voters. So how this is going to work is the Fire token team is going to create a platform where Fire token holders can connect their wallets to. After the wallet is connected, the platform will read the number of token you have, which will serve as a voting credit to vote on the displayed projects. Voting to projects will have a minimum and maximum cap, a limited number of votes per project, but you'll be able to distribute your credit across different projects. So essentially, the more Fire tokens you have, the more significant your influence will be on deciding the projects that they should invest in. The funds used to invest in the projects chosen by the community will be pulled from the Fire's marketing fund. Therefore, tokens from the fund will be sold and invested into projects such as ICOs, existing projects, and charities. And ICOs are initial coin offerings. And the profits gained from those investments will be reinvested into the Fire to increase the value and promote it even further. And some of the reinvestment will add more liquidity or burn Fire tokens to make it more scarce. So let's take a look at some of the characteristics of this token. So this does use a marketing fund. Instead of relying on donations, Fire token will use a 2% tax on sellers to fund the marketing instead of relying on the holders. So contract has been audited and pre-deployed with trading until the launch time. This one is deflationary. So it has a clever mechanism that taxes sellers to reward holders. So Fire token taxes sellers, also known as paper hands, by 6%. So that's a very big tax. So if you do choose to invest in this, make sure you're holding on for long term and don't get scared by the fluctuations in this token, basically. So of that 6%, 2% will go to the holders, 2% will go to the liquidity pool, and 2% will go to the marketing fund, being reinvested into this. So this has been audited by Solidity, and it did pass the audit. And where are we? Okay. The contract has been verified. You can view it here. It's on their website as well. So current value of the one Fire is 0.007434. There are almost 20,000 holders. This token did come out on the 7th of May. So at the time of this recording, it is not even a month old. It's close to a month old. Current liquidity right now is 749 BNB. It has a 4.8 million USD market cap. 344 million tokens have been burned. It does have a max supply of 1 billion. So this is very, very small supply compared to other tokens. Many other tokens, smaller tokens at least, have like 1 quintillion or 1 quadrillion tokens, which is 15 zeros. So compared to those coins, this one is very scarce compared to that one, those other ones. Circulating supply right now is 655 million. And we're looking at the roadmap here. These are their milestones they've completed so far. So 1 million market cap, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million. $50 million market cap. They want to be listed on Hotbit. 100 million would be next. So that's going to be registering as an LLC. Team will then become public, and then the Cetric audit as well. At 300 million market cap, they want to do an NYC billboard and a CEX listing application. At 500 million market cap, they want to do research potential use cases and a celebrity endorsement. And then at 1 billion, they want to be on Binance. So they're going to submit a Binance application at that point. So taking a look at the Fire on CoinGecko, it is listed as Fire here. So past 14 days up 46%, past 7 days 55%, past 24 hours 4%, and then the past hour at the time of this recording it is up 1.1%. Then let's go to the coin market cap. We have a fully diluted market cap of $67 million. And the last 24-hour volume is $233,000. And looking at the price chart on the daily chart here, so it launched 7th of May. It then shot up the next few days. Through the 11th, it reached an all-time high. It then retraced. Looks like 61.8%, maybe even more. And then now we're just recovering from that as well. But remember, these small coins have high volatility. I would only invest what you're willing to lose and just be ready for that. Just hold on to these tokens for a very long time. Don't expect to be a millionaire in like 2 months. You have to hold on for a very long time. So if you are interested in buying this token, I'm about to tell you how to do that. But before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for general information purposes only. And please do your own research before investing into any cryptocurrency, especially smaller tokens like this. And please be ready to essentially lose your entire investment with any cryptocurrency, especially the smaller tokens. Okay, so step one would be to download MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance Wallet. You're then going to want to purchase Binance BNB and send them to your wallet, whichever one you choose. So on the home page of the Fire token, click Buy. So you're going to want to click Buy here. Choose PancakeSwap. There's going to be a little pop-up here saying token is being imported. Click I understand and then import the token, and then it'll show the Fire down here. So yep, click I understand. Step 5 is going to be to make sure your wallet is synced to PancakeSwap. You're then going to want to set the amount of Fire token you would like to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase 5,000 Fire. It's going to be 0.123 BNB. And then make sure you set the slippage to 5% or more and press swap. So to set the slippage, you're going to want to click here. Set it to 5%. You may have to play around with this if your transaction does not go through. With these smaller tokens, you just have to play around a little bit with these slippage. But I'm going to put 5%. And then once you have your wallet connected, it's going to say swap. You would then swap the BNB for Fire, and the transaction will process. And then you will then be holding the Fire tokens. I do like this project's goal. and their whole main aim which is to allow small investors to get into these small coins and get the gains that wouldn't usually be able to happen unless you before the tokens get into, like, say, an exchange. But let me know what you guys think about this project in the comments below. Also, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like. It would be appreciated. And make sure you subscribe for more cryptocurrency content. And thank you for watching the video.